Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
Construction Firm of the Year.
Okay, excellent.
And here are the nominees: CFE, Polska, IFASH, and KAJIMA.
All right, so moving on to, I guess we're going to see who the winner of these two are.
Yeah.
These are three pretty contested, and I know the scores were pretty close on all three of these.
Okay.
And the winner is
KAJIMA.
KAJIMA.
KAJIMA, bravo.
Big round of applause, I'm sure, coming in. And
Winner tonight, KAJIMA. I believe we have Sandra on the line. Sandra, are you there?
Yes, I am.
oh wow, hi Sandra.
Wow,
Yes,
Sandra,
yeah.
looking good.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I will open the champagne.
Oh.
I prepared it in case I will win.
We will be there in about an hour to help you.
Thank you very much. Thank you to the jury members for selecting us as the best general contractor. Really, we try very hard to be always the best. And yes, really, thank you to the team and for sure to our clients. We have a lot of repetitive clients. And also new ones, but really, thank you very much.
Well, congratulations.
Congratulations.
And it seems like every event I go to, you're accepting an award from somebody. So,
Yes. Thank you.
all right. So have a good evening, and we'll see you in about an hour for some champagne.
Thank you very much.